Hi guys, it's Lengwe. I'm content for everybody and thank you so much for tuning in. Today I wanted to answer some assumptions, confusions and questions related to Xitsonga, and there's a couple of you guys that are a little bit confused, but that's okay. If you have any other questions, do comment down below. I'll come back and answer you guys, alright? Now the first question comes from Ian Furema. He says, hi sister, what's the difference between shangani and tsonga? Hi Ian. I also saw this, I believe, from the first video that I made. I told you guys I'm not shangani, I'm tsonga. I breathe like a tsonga person, I behave like a tsonga person, okay? And someone said, you said don't call it shangani, so Xitsonga and shangani not the same. My grandmother was from Zavala in Mozambique, and everyone always said she speaks Shangani. I speak Xitsonga, and I am Tsonga. Zi mutsonga washibir, ne? Now, of course, we're not gonna dismiss the people belonging to the Shangani tribe. There are people who still do even today, or who were raised in that way. But I was raised Tsonga. That's why I don't want to be called Shangani, because I never behaved like one. These two were supposed to be one thing. The only problem is that there was a conflict where King Shaka sent So Shangani to conquer the Tsonga people. And these people were already existing. Instead of him saying, okay, fine, now let's create a new tribe, and then so that these two can fall under, then he wanted to subdue the Tsonga people. So it makes us feel like we are weak, and we gave in to the people who wanted to cancel out our tribe or cancel out our group of people. So that's why iri matsonga ilava kuva matsonga and ingalavi kubi vitana shangani. So kujike kuva na that conflict shivita shunga lungiswangi. And then someone commented on my Instagram page. I find it offensive. I posted a video where I was singing Jehovah is your name in Xitsonga. I said this is a Tsonga version. She said, no, my sister, that's a Shangani version. How do you know me? Where do you know me from? I am Tsonga. Okay, guys, let's move on to the next questions. Ivan, who is a very constant commenter, he comments a lot and I appreciate that. He says, Tsonga accent is one of the difficult things. Very true. And what's the difference between o omagwi and o tamagwi? Don't mind the spelling. I do mind the spelling because I need to correct you. So we don't have o, we have u. Umagwi, not gwi. So yeah, just cancel out the o, is not ours. We use u as in like u, umagwi. That actually makes sense. The difference between the two, umagwi and utamagwi. Umagwi is where you're coming from. Utamagwi is where you stay. I hope that makes sense. Next question is still from Ivan. Ivan says, I thought shesho means now. Your language is difficult. Nope. Shesho means that. Sheshi means now. Ne? That and now. Sheshi, now. Tana, sheshi, come now. Tisa, shesho, bring that. Next question from Tekiso says, I got a challenge when it comes to responding. I usually mix this language with Chivenda, one, and sometimes I don't know what they're saying. I also don't know Chivenda, but I do know the difference, obviously, because I'm Tsonga. But I would say that look for words like, Chivenda has words like Jino, J, and we have Shi. So look for words like that will make you like distinguish the two. Ivan is back again with another question. Ivan, what do you mean? Maybe he wanted to say, what if I say usasekilengov? Start wrong, but that's good. Usasekilengov means you are too beautiful. You're mesmerized by that beauty. Hloni with this other lady, Bari. Hloni another mark. Ori, I want a Tsonga guy. Where are they? One guy and a and then there's another lady also who said something like that. But to be quite frank, you guys, oh no, there's Tandoo. Tandoo says, good sis, where do one get a Tsonga man? And they go comment that you can comment down below, Tsonga man, because there are people that are looking for you. Okay, I'm not dating a Tsonga man, so mara they are there. So Mabone says, love. So loko bako putisa kuri oya kui bajele bajele kuru uya venkele. Mabone, you need to fix this one. Embarrassed, like I'm embarrassed. Okay, so loko bako putisa kuri u. Remember we don't have o. Uya kui, where you are going. ba jele, not jele. Ne? It's a Y instead of a J. Kuri uya vengeleni. Nge, not nkele, right? And then I think that's it. Next up, I'm going to address some other questions and then post another Tsonga video because I know you guys have been waiting for it. Now, in the meantime, do comment, like, and subscribe below. I love you guys.